Good morning. The wintry weather continues this week. It will remain cold for most of us. Further snow showers, the risk of ice, and the potential for something disruptive coming our way on Friday. At the moment, it looks like that's going to be in the south. I'll have all the details coming up.
I need to buy some de-icer for the coming days, right, Carol?
You certainly do, Emma. Yes. Good morning, everyone. It's a cold start to the day, as Emma alluded to there. We've got temperatures well below freezing across most of the UK. And there is not just the risk of ice, we're looking at a widespread frost, and some of us still do have some snow, especially so across the north of Scotland, where the Met Office still has this amber weather warning in force until 10 o'clock this morning. That doesn't mean it's going to suddenly stop snowing at 10 o'clock. There'll be further snow showers, but they'll tend to lose their intensity. Now, this is what we've had as we've gone through the course of the night. So we've got scattered snow showers. The snow showers in the south will tend to move away. There's the risk of ice on untreated surfaces, and we'll continue with snow showers along the east coasts of both Scotland and England, some of them penetrating a bit further inland today, and a few snow showers in Northern Ireland, West Wales, and also the southwest of England. Now, it's not going to be as windy as it was over the weekend, but nonetheless, if you are exposed to the wind we do have, it will feel colder than these temperatures do suggest. Where we've got lying snow, they could stay at -2, for example, across parts of Scotland. Now, through this evening and overnight, there'll be some clear skies around. We also have a ridge of high pressure building in, so there'll be a lot of dry weather, clear skies, as I mentioned. But then we've got a couple of weather fronts coming in, bringing in a combination of rain, sleet, and again, largely hill snow. These are the overnight lows, although in parts of Scotland, again, where we've got lying snow, temperatures could fall away between -7 and -10. And in England and Wales, between -5 and -8. In the countryside, so something certainly to be aware of. So frosty tomorrow, the risk of ice once again tomorrow. We've got that mixture of rain, sleet and hail snow pushing from the west towards the east. A lot of dry weather around as well. And then later in the day, the next system comes in across Northern Ireland, moving east as well with a similar combination. These are our temperatures tomorrow. Not quite as cold in the south, still cold in the north, only 2 degrees in Aberdeen. But remember, where there's lying snow, temperatures will be lower than this. Then as we move from Tuesday into Wednesday, the low pressure driving our weather pulls away. Things quieten down a touch. Yes, there will still be some rain, some sleet and some hill snow around, but that does move away with that low pressure, taking its cloud with it. It dries up, and then later again in the day, we've got the next system coming in, bringing in this time mostly rain. Temperatures on Wednesday ranging from +1 to almost a balmy. We've not seen 7 or 8 for quite a while in the southwest. Then as we move from Wednesday into Thursday, we've got this system which is pushing across us. Once again, it's coming in from the Atlantic. So we'll start off with a combination of rain and some hill snow, a fair bit of cloud around across eastern areas. That will tend to move towards the east. It will brighten up towards the west. But look what's coming our way. So this is later on Thursday. This is an area of low pressure. Now, I'm going to pause on this one for a minute because on Friday, this could bring some disruption. The position of it does very much depend on the weather we're going to get. It could bring in very strong winds, some very heavy rain, or indeed some disruptive snow. And at the moment, it looks like it could affect parts of the south. A lot to play for and a lot to watch over this. But Thursday's temperatures ranging from 1 in Aberdeen to 10 in Plymouth and also the Channel Islands. Emma and John.
I like the way you pause it. Can we just pause it and leave it there and we'd have to worry about it actually happening?
That would be good.
Yeah, sadly we can't. Carol, see you later. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, Carol.